My dear BBA students, financial accounting law, see these questions as important questions. Here I am giving you two final accounts. We need to make a final account, my dear students. Yeah, not in new proforma, in old proforma you can prepare, like preparing trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. And if it is clearly mentioned that you have to prepare vertically according to new proforma, then you need to. That is company balance sheet, that's different. But this is a final accounts of the sole trading concern. And my dear students, every adjustment will be taken two times: closing stock, trading account credit side, and balance sheet asset side. Likewise, first you see the adjustments first. There will be some problems which are not having any adjustment. My dear students, other than this, I am giving you some more questions. You can take a screenshot. Yes, you can. I will wait, no problem. I will wait, my dear students. And you consider these questions as important theory questions, my dear students. See, the time is less, so that I am not giving you more questions, and I am not giving you unit wise, and you can consider these questions as important, my dear student. Yeah, short I have given. And one question is like, my dear students, you may get a question like, write the journal entries. Sometimes what we need to do is we have to write journal entries. Dinesh commenced business with capital of 50,000. Journal entry: cash account add to capital account. Deposited in the bank. Bank is the receiver. Bank account data to cash account. Cash is going out. Purchased goods from Kishan on credit. So purchases always purchase account data to Kishan account. Create the giver. Like this you need to write, my dear students. Paid rent to landlord by check. You are paying rent. Rent account data to bank account. No need to write a landlord account or something else, my dear students. I wish all the best, my dear students. Consider some other long answer questions also. In accounting standards, we know that's a complete theory. The features of Indian accounting standards and the objectives and the importance. These three are important. Yeah, some students asking me, sir, why are not saying scope? Yeah, scope may be given for short answer question, but long I have given. My dear students, always those who ever learn the basics of accounting concepts and conventions are most important. My dear students, here comes the question: why we are making financial statements? Who are the users of the financial statement? That is the important question. The stakeholders will be there in every company. There will be some stakeholders, in the sense shareholders will be there. The people who invested, they want to see the financial statements. Because of that, they will be able to know what is the financial performance of the company. Similarly, the government will be there. They want to know how the performance, how much tax that they are going to pay. And the competitors and the researchers, there are many people. And the promoters and the proprietors, the directors, the employees, they are all the users of the financial statements made by the companies, my dear students. And profit and loss account is prepared as part of final accounts of the companies, my dear students. So the rule is that it's a real account, in the sense only revenue expenses and revenue losses are to be debited. All incomes are to be credited, my dear students. Sometimes one student is asking me, sir, subsidiary books important అని. ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదమ్మా, తెలుసుకోవాలి. ద సబ్ డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ లెడ్జర్ ఇంటూ 8 parts is known as subsidiary books. Yeah. For making financial statement, there will be some objectives will be there. That objectives you need to learn. Vertical statements, in the sense, my dear students, now what we are doing is we are making the financial statements column wise and not in horizontally. Vertically we are making. Because of that, we will be able to compare the financial statements. And ratios are nothing but it is the relationship between any two elements expressed in percentages, that is called as a ratio. Various kinds of ratios, my dear students. Some ratios are based on profit and loss account, and some are based on balance sheet, my dear students. Solvency ratios is important, and current ratio, liquidity ratio, these are all very important, my dear students. See, don't say అన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయినా సార్ అని చెప్పి, నా అలా కాదమ్మా. అండ్ ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఒకటి నేర్చుకున్నామ్మా. ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈజ్ సెట్ టు బి it's a statement showing debit and credit balances of all the ledger accounts after you write journal entries in accounting process, my dear students. Whenever a transaction is occurred, the transaction is recorded into a day book by name journal, book of original entry is called as, then it will be posted into ledger. Learn the definition of ledger. My dear students, when you learn about the basics of accounting, this is very much useful to you in life, and I wish you all the best, my dear students. With this I conclude my class, my dear students. Thank you. God bless you all.